Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Cadillac Escalade key fob battery. First, ensure you have the correct replacement battery, which is usually a CR2032 coin cell. You'll also need a small, flathead screwdriver to help open the fob. Take a moment to locate the small slot or seam on the side of your key fob where the two halves meet. This is where we will begin the process. Now, let's open the key fob. Insert the tip of your small, flathead screwdriver into the slot or seam you just located. Apply gentle pressure and carefully twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, ensuring you don't force it, to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most often, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver or a fingernail. Then, carefully insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the buttons and internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, test your key fob with your Cadillac Escalade to ensure it's working correctly. You should be able to lock, unlock, and start your vehicle without any issues. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.